Hello, my lovelies. It is that time of the month again. It is our BoxyCharm time of the month. And you are probably noticing my voice is a little different, and that is because this is the first video with braces. I have them fully done. See? Lovely. It's my newest accessory. I also have expanders in, which is why I'm lisping. On the bonus side, I am doing a lot better than I was when I first got them. The first week was pretty bad, and I did have a really hard time talking. I still have a little bit of a difficulty, answering the phone and stuff for work. I'm all, hello. And for that first week, it was pretty bad. No one could understand me, and I was very frustrated for probably the first 10 days once the expanders went in, and that was a little frustrating. It felt like no one could hear me, and then I worked with a mask on as well for to be sanitary, and no one could understand me. Thankfully, I can articulate a lot better, and I only get really lispy on certain words, but not too bad, so it's getting easier. Overall, I am now past the painful stage and just in the, growing in because, everything got used to it. So that's the update, and these are the new bracelets, so this is my new smile for all these videos. So now, BoxyCharm. So we will open this up. I will say straight off the bat, I'm a little sad because it's such a small box. It's so little. And it's sad. I'm like, what? This is my BoxyCharm? It's just like, it's so little. I'm used to much bigger boxes with much more goodies, but this is a normal basic BoxyCharm, and usually they come with like 5 or 6 items, so they're not always the big items, but I'm used to it being a little bigger, so I'm like, eh. So anyways, this month it is the fantasy. We have Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio for 25. The Lifestyle Company Detox Hair Serum for 79. That's actually a fairly big ticket item. Mud Mask or Mud Masky is a vitamin infused eye serum, which is lovely. We all need little eye serums. This one retails for 63. Grande Cosmetics Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, that's nice. And that one's for 25. And $1 billion brows. Hopefully it's not $1 billion. I'm just saying. And that retails for 16. So let's check this out. All right, first thing in the box is the Detox Hair Serum. It's the nutrient plant scalp treatment. It is cruelty free, and this is by Lifestyle Company. And it's got argan oil, almond oil, neem oil, zinc, copper, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin E acetate, provitamin B5. That's really cool. So this goes on your hair. You put it in sections, 1 to 2 drops in each section. Massage it into your scalp when you split, and then do not rinse out. You just leave it in, and so you apply it before, after you're washing, before styling. So that's cool. I'll have to check it out and see how it does for my hair. My hair is getting quite long. All right, next but not least is the billion dollar brow micro brow pencil and taupe, which is a good color for me, and I do have brow products at home, but I don't mind more. Or I might just give it to people because I'm in the collecting for Christmas stage. I can't use it in my kit because it rolls up and down, which means I can't guarantee bacteria is not building up in there. So most of the time, if I do use pencils, I prefer ones I can sharpen just because they're easier to stay sanitary. Alrighty. Woo. Let's see. Next is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. How does it plump? I mean, it's just a liquid highlighter, but plumping on your face? So, my hands are clean, so I'm gonna try that. And that's a liquid highlight. Can you see a little bit of a sheen? Not really. Let's see. Oh yeah, there it is. A little bit of a sheen. It's pretty nice, little soft dewy. It's got a lot more glitter in it than I prefer in highlighters. I'm really sold. My favorite is the e.l.f. highlighting liquid highlighter gel, and that goes on really, really nice. But this is nice. Not in love with it. I mean, it's got glitter in it. It doesn't have that same kind of glow that I like, and it's not really glowy, so it's kind of very soft. But then it's got, I don't know. It's fine, but I'm not like in love. The Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, feeding, nourishing, firming, moisture boost. Let's see. You know what I'm doing? I'm reading ingredients. Because I do that on everything. It's got roses in it. Everything else I'm fine with but the roses, which means, guess what? Won't be using that on myself. So annoying. Alright, and then we have the Hydrating Complexion Trio. Not sure how it's hydrating. I mean, how is it hydrating when it's a powder? Does that make sense to you? I mean, it's a powder. It's a pressed powder. How does that hydrate? But it is literally called Hydrating Complexion Trio. I don't get it. It doesn't say anything about hydrating. It's a powder. What is it with these names? What is with the name? That is a very stupid, misleading name. I don't know. Of course, my neighbor has to start. They're like sawing something? We're in a business complex. Why are they sawing stuff? Now that's the background. I'm not going to restart the video. You're just going to have to listen to it. They're a very soft highlight, and it's very nice and creamy. It's not a very bold highlight product, but it is very pretty. But I still don't see why they call it hydrating, because there's no hydrating. It's a powder. It's a powder. Anyways, my ladies, my lovelies, my boys, my girls, everyone involved who is watching these videos, which might be like 10 of you, or maybe 2 of you. I don't know, but I don't care because I enjoy talking to you. Shut up, neighbor. Stop it. Anyways, that is the BoxyCharm that I got this month. What did you get in yours? Have you gotten yours? You probably did, because I think mine came out Friday, and I couldn't make it into work because I was at a wedding. So, anyways, until next time, I'll talk to you all later.